So Apple just released their newest software update, iOS 14. And what this means in the world of digital marketing is new privacy settings for consumers. Advertisers are only allowed to record up to 8 conversions within one domain at this point. If apps do not comply with Apple's new restrictions, they may be restricted from the App Store and even lose their entire ability to sell and advertise on Facebook.
Wow. So basically, like, this is a pretty massive change in the way that I think it really is about data privacy. It's really kind of the summary here is that Apple's obviously seeing a lot of people that are, probably upset about privacy in the market. And they've made, in my opinion, I think they're fairly reasonable updates, but those updates have significant impact on both advertisers, apps in the App Store, websites that are using Facebook, and tools like Facebook. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about the effects around, I think mainly advertising is where people are feeling the pain here because, Facebook and Instagram are, pretty much one of the biggest besides Google marketing channels in the world. So
yeah, so mobile browsing and online shopping is at an all-time high. So consumers have been worried about their data and privacy for a few years now. So it was time that something like this finally came into effect.
yeah,
But brands can protect themselves against these changes so that their revenue and operations aren't affected too badly. So what we want our brands to do is verify your domain in Facebook Business Manager, and then make sure that you are prepared to only allow 8 conversions per domain at a time.
yep. And then I think the other important thing here, it looks like it says, and I think we got to double check this. These events will be ranked within 28 days. So I think you'll have a certain period of time to make sure that this is all up to date and working. And then once you have your domain verified in Facebook Business Manager and the 8 conversions set up, or max 8, right? So you could have 5, but
Yep.
you can't have 12. I think the big backlash that I've seen just on LinkedIn and people just kind of freaking out is that it looks like they're switching the attribution period of Facebook Business Manager from 28 days to a 7-day click-through window, which kind of makes sense, but it's attribution is one of those tough things, right? Like you might see an ad and a year later you buy it, right? But was it that ad or was it the next time you Googled them? And it's really hard to say whether it was, Facebook or the 10 times that you saw an ad before you bought something. A lot of times you'll see an ad many, many times before you buy something, right? So they're moving it from kind of a 28-day attribution period to a 7-day click-through window. And I think, especially for a lot of the marketing agencies that maybe aren't as transparent as they should be, this might, show them that their results aren't quite as good as they thought they were. So I think it'll definitely kind of shake up a little bit of the marketing and maybe rethink how people are attributing revenue to Facebook. I think it's good and bad, right? Like, maybe it helps you kind of like focus on a little bit more of the short-term revenue in those 7 days. But I think the mistake that people might make is that people still might click through and then buy, a month later. So it doesn't mean that you might not be getting sales in the future. And there's definitely ways to kind of track that too. But yeah, I think honestly the kind of lesson that people should take here is that attribution is a little bit subjective. And whether you do 28 days or now this new 7-day kind of like rollout, just kind of understand what that means and what the data you're really looking at, because the data is not perfect. It'll never be perfect. Like I guess the only data that you can really know for sure is the sales, like your final sales, right? Like whatever's in your bank account. And then, it sounds like there's some API work that needs to be done to to track this, content. And yeah, and I think that's kind of like Justin and Kate's point in this blog is
Yeah, I think account managers just want to be aware of the changes that are being made to the analytics window.
yeah,
They should go in and make sure that all of the campaigns that are set up already are still running as they should be. Conversions are being tracked as they should be. Pixels are set up as they should be. And then go in and make sure that all of the copy and text is correct.
yeah. And then I think the last thing is that, use this as an opportunity to kind of like rethink your strategy. Like, is your campaign strategies make sense? Now that you see the new attribution, is it maybe change how you think about where you want to spend your money or how you set up campaigns? So I think it's also a good time to just kind of like, maybe do like an audit of what's going on, and if you want our help with that, let us know. We'll certainly
Do it.